If you have your statement of account, here are the key components you should look out for. Your details such as customer ID, mailing address, registered mobile number, number of loans, the branch from where you got your loan, the type of loan you have opted for, repayment bank details such as personal, doctor, consumer loan, etc. are mentioned under customer details. Your details such as loan amount, interest rates, tenure, disbursal date, first installment date, loan status, your future principal and future interest, etc. are visible under loan account details. Under installment summary, you can see the amount you have paid in installment until now, any overdue installment, and the amount of your future installment. Any additional services that you have opted for are visible under Insurance and Additional Services. Details such as policy number, start date, end date, insurance or service type, along with the product status are visible here. Under Loan Financial Summary, you can see your installment amount, principal component, interest component, and other details such as penal interest, bounce charges, along with current dues. Under pre-disbursement charges, you can see your loan amount financed, processing fees, stamp duty charged, insurance premium, documentation charges, or any other charges levied by Bajaj Finance, total deductions, and the net disbursement amount. Under loan transaction details, you can check the date of your transactions, the particulars, which are the details of your transaction, status of your transaction, debit and credit amount, bounce charges, penal interest, delay days, and balance.